My beauty lovers, it's your girl Myra, and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. Hi everybody out there, how's everybody out there doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing good. Today we're gonna do a, let's see, sort of like a little natural with a little pop-up color. I'm off today. I'm gonna do some errands, run some errands, and yeah. So I know I've been gone for a while. I've been having some technical difficulty with my phone, with the camera and all that, because I do record with my phone, and hopefully one day I, can start recording with a actual camera. But for now, this will do the just. So if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. Oh, and we're using the Anastasia Prism palette for the look. So yeah. Using a base for my eyelid, and this is the MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I'm just putting it all over my eyelid with a beauty blender. And that's the first step for your eyeshadows to stick on. Okay, my beauty lovers, now we're going in with the Anastasia Prism palette. We're gonna get that color Aiden, and that's going to be our transition color. So that's what you're going to start off with, and you're going to blend, blend, blend away, ladies. Alright guys, you guys are going to keep blending and blending that color Eden in until it's softened out. Sorry guys, I had to take a coffee break. That coffee was slamming. Yes, girl. Coffee good. Coffee. Okay, now we're going to go in with that color Saturn, and we're going to apply that all over our crease, and you're going to blend, blend, blend away. Okay, now we're going to go in with that color Lucid. That pretty. Look at that color. So beautiful. We're going to put that all over your lid. Just a little pop-up brightness. Okay guys, now we're going to go in with the color Saturn, and we're just going to clean up any harsh lines that we have. Just blend everything very seamless, you know. do a lot of fast forwarding in my video because there's a lot of blending involved when applying eyeshadows. We want to get the right blendability, you know, a nice, smooth, blendable surface is where it's at. So see me cutting or fast forwarding is because I'm doing a lot of blending, and of course you guys don't want to see all that boring blending. Now you're gonna take that neon bright green and you're gonna put that in your tear duct just to make it pop a little. Okay, now we're gonna color correct, and this one is by e.l.f. in the color orange. I'm gonna put that all over my under eye to reduce all the dark circles. Now I'm color correcting all my redness underneath my nose with the green, and this one is by Maybelline. I think it's Master or something, I'm not too sure, but yeah. And then we're gonna prime our face using NYX Angel Veil. Okay, now I'm using the Hourglass mascara in the style Caution, and we're gonna apply that all over your natural lashes. Today I'm gonna keep it nice and simple. I'm not putting no false lashes. Just apply that all over your lashes. Okay, now we're using my favorite foundation. It's the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I love, love, love this store brand foundation. You guys should try this. After I'm done with foundation, I'm going to use the Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my under eyes along with the Lauder Mercier setting powder. And we're going to set our face, our forehead, under eyes, our chin, our jawline. And after that, we're going to use the Aaliyah Matte Collection bronzer. Now I'm going to set my face using the Mario Badescu Rose Water along with the Wet n Wild highlighter in the style Lit. Well, yeah, guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share my videos with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here on this channel, because we lit. We lit. We lit. So yeah, guys, let me go run these errands, and I'll see you guys on another one. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.